Now we can learn how to convert hexadecimal number to decimal, that is from base 16 to base 10. For that, we have to keep these values in our mind, then it will be easy for you to solve the questions. So the first question is AB, that is a hexadecimal number, and we have to convert it into decimal. So we have to represent it in the box AB. After that, we have to give the position value 16 raised to 0 and 16 raised to 1 because we are converting hexadecimal number to decimal. After that, we have to expand A into 16 raised to 1 plus B into 16 raised to 0. So the value of A 10 into 16 plus 11 into 1. So it will be 160 plus 11. So the answer will be 171 base 10. This is the answer. Next question is A12. That is a hexadecimal number. A12. And we have to give the positional value 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1 and 16 raised to 2. After that, we have to expand it. A into 16 raised to 2 plus 1 into 16 raised to 1 plus 2 into 16 raised to 0. So we'll get 10 into 256 plus 1 into 16, 16 plus 2. So 2560 plus 16 plus 2, that is 2578 base 10. This is the answer. Next, we can learn how to convert hexadecimal fractions to decimal. We are converting hexadecimal fractions to decimal. Now the question is 1e.8c. So we'll represent it 1e.8c. After the point, we'll write 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2. Before it, we'll write 16 raised to 0 and 16 raised to 1. Now we'll write 1 into 16 raised to 1 plus e into 16 raised to 0 plus 8 into 1 by 16 plus c. The value of c is 12. So you can write 12 into 1 by 16 square. So the answer will be 16 plus 14 plus 0.5 plus 12. 12 into 1 by 16 into 1 by 16. Then the answer is 30.546875 base 10. This is the answer. One more question we can try, that is 56.08. So we have to represent it in box. After that, we have to give positional values. Then we have to convert the hexadecimal fraction to decimal. So we'll take base 16. After the point, we'll write 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2. Before the point, we'll write 16 raised to 0 and 16 raised to 1. After that, we have to expand it. 5 into 16 raised to 1 plus 6 into 16 raised to 0 plus 0 into 1 by 16 plus 8 into 1 by 16 square. So we'll get the answer as 80 plus 6 plus 0 plus 0.03125. So the answer is 86.03125 base 10. In this way, we can convert hexadecimal to decimal and hexadecimal fractions to decimal.